Hey friends! So yesterday I did a lesson on elapsed time and you were supposed to work out the 3 problems and try them on your own. I hope you kept your work. I will go over these 3 problems now. It will be beneficial for you to have your work in front of you so you can see if you made any mistakes or you got it right. So the first problem is that flight number 3 departed, which means left, at 9:25 a.m. and the flight time was 55 minutes. We're trying to figure out what time the flight arrived. So the first thing I do is I draw my number line and I write my starting time, 9:25. Okay, I have to jump 55 minutes. So I can jump by 5s, 10s, 1s, whatever is helpful. I'm just going to jump by 5s and 10s because it's the easiest. So I'm going to jump 10 minutes, which will be 9:35. Then another 10 minutes, which will be 9:45. Another 10 minutes, 9:55. I'm guessing if you messed up, you'll probably mess up here. This is where most kids mess up when they have to jump to the next hour. So when I jump 10 more minutes, okay, it'll be 10:05. Then I'm going to jump 10 more minutes. It'll be 10:15. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then 5 more minutes, which will be 10:20. And it will be a.m. Okay, so the answer to my first problem, to number 3, will be 10:20 a.m. And I'm actually going to put up a video on maybe tomorrow, maybe Friday, about the difference of AM and PM if you do not know. It will be very helpful to watch. So my next problem, number 4, says that the plane departs, remember that means leave, at 3:30 p.m. and it'll take 25 minutes to get there. We're trying to figure out what time the plane will arrive. So I will draw my number line and I put the starting time, which is 3:30, and then I'm going to jump 25 minutes. So I'm going to jump 10, which is 3:40, plus 10, which is 3:50, and then I'm going to jump 5 more minutes, which will be 3:55 p.m. So my answer to number 4 is 3:55 p.m. So I actually want to show you guys that there's more than one way to do this number line for each problem. So your number line may look different, but you still could have arrived at the correct answer. So I'm going to still start at 3:30 p.m. And then I know 25 minutes has 2 10s. So I can, and in my head, I know time very well. So I'm going to just jump 20 minutes. And if I jump 20 minutes, I know it's 3:50. And then I'm going to jump 5 more minutes to make it 3:55. So these two look different, but I still came up with the correct answer. And you also may have done all 5s. You may have jumped 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's fine too. All right, let's look at our last problem, number 5. So the flight departs at 8 a.m. and it's a 65-minute travel time. We're trying to figure out what time they will arrive. So the first thing I do, draw my number line, put my starting or my departing time on my number line. Okay, so now I have to jump 65 minutes. So I'm going to jump by tens because that's easiest. 8, 10. Another 10 minutes. 8:20. Another 10 minutes. 8:30. Another 10 minutes. 8:40. Another 10 minutes. 8:50. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I have to go another 10 minutes. If you don't know this, 60 minutes is 1 hour. So when I jump from 8:50, it's not going to say 8:60. I'm going to 9 o'clock. Okay, so now I need to jump 5 more minutes, which will be 9:05 a.m. So I'm going to show you another way to do this because there's more than one way. So I'm going to draw my number line and put 8 a.m. Okay, so I know that 60 minutes is an hour. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just jump 1 hour or 60 minutes. They're the same thing, right? So 8 o'clock, 1 hour, it will be 9 o'clock. And then I saw 5 minutes that I need to jump plus 5, and then it will be 9:05 a.m. All right, guys, so I would love to see who got those right. And if that was helpful, or if anybody needs more help with that, or if you're still confused with all of it, please let me know. We're going to do a new lesson today. We're going to learn something different. All right, guys.